Today we'll go and try to understand one thing that is called as modeling many-to-many relationships. Modeling many-to-many relationships. As part of this many-to-many relationships, in the beginning of the class, you understand one point. You understand one point. If I have data warehouse, if I take data warehouse, in data warehouse, most of the times we have two types of tables. One table is called as dimension table. Second table is called as fact table. Second table is called as fact table. Dimension table, one record always mapped with n number of records here. So here always dimension table to fact table one to many relationship is available. That is the reason we studied the cardinality between dimension table and fact table. Always one to many relationship is available. But I said at that moment it may not be true. It may not be true 100%. 99.99% is true. Sometimes maybe some other cardinality is also possible. Okay, right. So the more used cardinality anyhow is one to many. But there are some scenarios which will be having many to many relationship. More used cardinality is one to many, but there are some scenarios which will be using many to many. If many to many is using, our OBW is not going to support the many to many, right? Many to many is not going to support by our OBW. Then how to handle that kind of scenario? How to handle that kind of scenario? I have two tables. Between these two tables, I have many to many relationship, which is not accepted by OBW tool. Then how to handle that one in our OBW? Right. That's what we are going to learn today. Objective of this lesson is, after completing this lesson, you should be able to use bridge table, and followed by that one, we are going to use helper table, bridge table and helper tables to model many-to-many relationship in the Oracle BI repository. Okay, so two important tables are going to understand. One is called as bridge table. Second is called as helper table. Right. Business challenge and solution. If you go and see here, dimensional star schemas are ideal for modeling a business when one-to-many relationship exists between the dimension tables and fact tables. If you take any star schema, surely dimension table is connected directly with the fact table. Yes or no, sir? We'll call star if it is connected, dimension table is directly connected with the fact table, then only we'll call that as star. So in the star schema, always dimension table one record is mapped with n number of records of the fact table. That is true. Now, what is the challenge? It is often necessary to model many-to-many relationship between dimension tables and fact tables. Okay, we have some scenarios are available. Those scenarios you may not have directly one-to-many relationship. We have many-to-many relationship is available. How to handle that one? That is what the challenge. Solution is you can use either bridge table or you can use a helper table to model many-to-many relationship. Either bridge table or helper table to model many-to-many relationship. This is not answer. It is a small mistake. It is either bridge table or helper table. Not both. Both are not required. Either bridge table or helper table to model many-to-many relationships. Now, what do you mean by bridge table? We are going to understand today what you mean by bridge table clearly. So resolves many-to-many relationship between dimension table and fact table. So when you need to go for the bridge table, sir, between dimension table, fact table, really I have many-to-many relationship is available. Then I need to go for bridge table. For example, see this first example, you'll see it. For example, if two sales representatives are associated with a given sales commission, then the weight factor would be, what, sir? 0.50. What is the meaning of this one? I am taking here two tables, sir. One table is called as sales representative dimension table. Second table is called as commission fact table. So two tables are available. One is sales representative dimension table. Second is called as commission fact table. Two things are there. And observe here, Each sales representative may participate in many deals that pay commission. Yes or no? So morning you went to the office. Let us say yours is a car showroom. Morning you went to the office and one customer came, is going to explain about the car. That is one service. Afternoon also is one customer is came, he is going to explain about the car. Evening also one customer came, he is going to explain. That means in one day he is giving services to 3 or 4 or n number of customers or not, sir? N number of customers. And let us say out of this n number of customers, 3 or 2 are materialized. 3 or 2 are materialized. That 3 or 2 customers are ready to purchase the product. Whatever you are explaining, all people will not be materialized. Yes or no, sir? Only 3 or 2 will be materialized. The 3 or 2 whatever materialized, for those are 3 or 2 customers are going to pay commission or not. That means one sales representative may service n number of persons. Because of that one is getting n number of commissions. Yes or no? At the same time, one commission also need to split among n number of sales representatives. Among n number of sales representatives means, suppose I am a customer, I came to your car showroom. End to end, are you the only person who are going to take care about me, or any other persons also will be involved in that one? One loan person is available, that guy is going to take care of all loan related activities. One registration person is available, that guy is going to take care of all the registration work, corresponding thing, paperwork or whatever it is. And one more sales representative available, that guy is going to explain about the car, new features, how to use these all features and all, is going to explain about that. So one customer taking service from 3 or 4 members also possible. Yes or no, sir? Whatever commission he paid, that commission has to split among all these representatives. What I mean to tell is, one representative may be having here many commissions. At the same time, one commission may need to split among n number of sales representatives. Between this commission table and sales representative table, I have what type of relationship, sir? Many to many relationship is available. Okay, now you people understand that point. Let us go for next second point here. Stores multiple records corresponding to a dimension. So the bridge table nature is, inside the bridge table, we have the multiple times the dimension table corresponding records are going to appear. By seeing the data, you come to understand this point. Next one contains very important column that is called as weight factor column, representing the ratio of the many to many relationship. For example, if 2 sales representatives are associated with a given sales commission, then the weight factor would be what, sir? 0.50. Then the weight factor is 0.50. That means, let us say, I paid 500 rupees, I paid, sir. I am a customer, I paid 500 rupees, I paid. For me, 2 members are given services. 2 sales representatives given services. Then what will happen, sir? How much they need to take it? Each one 250, right? How we got this 250 number? By multiplying the weight factor 0.50 with the 500, we got the 250. So the customer commission into weight factor gives me what, sir? Sales rep commission. So I can say formula, sales rep commission is equal to customer paid commission into what, sir? Weight factor. Whatever customer paid commission that we multiply with the weight factor, then how much sales representative need to get the commission, we come to understand. Now, multiplying the weight factor by commission amounts yields each sales representative share of the commission. Okay, how much they need to take it? If you multiply this weight factor, then we are going to get it. Next one, more complex weight factors can be used. For example, 0.50, 0.25, 0.25. Suppose 3 members are involved in the sales, sir. However, first sales representative has most of the headache comparatively loan and registration. Yes or no, sir? First sales representative has to convince the customer. He has to compare the all other products which are available in the same segment. I ready to invest, let us say 10 lakh rupees. I want to invest on the car. Then I will ask a number of questions. Okay, let us say I went to the one Honda showroom. then immediately I'm going to ask, okay, in the Toyota they are giving this is what the model car, how it is different. Then you need to get that knowledge also. Then I'll ask one more question. Hyundai guy is providing this much of knowledge. Then I need to get that out. Audi guy is providing something. So what I would like to say is, I need to compare different brands. I need to convince the customer by saying, yes, my product is best. So this guy is doing lot of hard work compared to the other guys. Once this guy is convinced, then surely he will take the loan some other bank. Yes or no, sir? Either SBI or ICICI or JP Morgan, whatever it is. I am least bother. Some company is going to take it. We need not worry about that one. That is need now. That is need. Next one is registration. That is mandatory as per the government policy it is. So if nothing much risk and all, you will provide everything. So what I would like to say is, out of these three members, if you take an normal POC sales representative and loan sales representative and registration sales representative, who is doing lot of hard work, sir. First guy is doing lot of hard work. The reason whatever commission he paid, in that one 50% he is taking, 25% is loan guy, 25% is registration guy. Now, as long as the sum of all factors should be what, sir? 1. Showroom guy cannot keep from his pocket money. Yes or no, sir? Whatever customer paid, that only will split and will give it. Yes or no? That is the reason these all things must be one only. These all things must be one only. Okay. Now, ABC example. Each sales representative may participate in many deals that pay commission. From morning to evening, you may be participating in many deals. Next. Each deal may include many sales representatives who split the commission. One deal may need to split among a number of persons. Next, a bridge table is required to model this many-to-many relationship between the commission fact table and sales representatives dimension table. Right. Here I have two things. One is called as sales representative table. It is a dimension table or fact table, sir? Dimension table. Commission table. It is a dimension table or fact table, sir? Fact table. Between this dimension table and fact table, what I introduced? Bridge table. Bridge table structure is constant throughout all projects. Wherever you take the bridge table contains only 3 columns. One is fact table corresponding key column. Fact table corresponding key column. Second is dimension table corresponding key column. Third is weight factor. These are the 3 columns available wherever you go. And out of these all 3 columns, weight factor is what, sir? Very, very important column. Based on that only, I am going to split the customer commission to the sales representatives. Right. What are the steps are involved in this one? Steps to model a bridge table. First step is available, that is called as import tables. Use known technique to import the commission fact and commission bridge table to physical layer. So whatever 2 tables are available, these 2 tables as it is, we can go ahead and we can import it. Let us go and try to do the same job. I am giving control to someone. Yes, you want to do it? Yes, Preeti, I am giving control to you. I given. Right. I already opened RPD in online mode. This is what the RPD available. Just import the tables whatever you required. Those are the 2 tables. Commission next, commission bridge we want. Just import those 2 tables. Select supplier CP connection pool. No. Right click on supplier CP connection pool. First option, import metadata. Then click on next. Now expand the supplier to, just move bottom, expand the supplier to, expand supplier to. Then we need to go for commission and commission bridge table. So commission bridge table are available. Here only it is available. Commission bridge table, import it. Those two tables are importing it. Then finish it. Now we'll spend some time to understand this data. Now I am going for commission table. Let us say right click on this one, click on view data, supplier CP, select it. Now observe carefully here. One thing that is called as here, what is available, sir? Customer key is available. So I can join this one with the customer key. That means customer table. Here what, sir? Period key is available. So I can join with what, sir? Calendar table. And I have here commission keys available, so I can join with the bridge table. Okay, that is clear. And I have here amount, let us say 1118 customer is available. 1118 customer on the day of 1998-0102, with respect to the commission key is 11111. How much amount he paid, sir? 22,000 he paid. Okay, and also same record is available one more time here. If you go and observe here, one more time is available. That means what, sir? The commission whatever he is going to pay in the installments wise. Whenever he ordered the product, is going to pay half of the amount. Once the product is delivered, then he is going to pay remaining half of the amount. It may be installments wise. That's the reason we have here two records are available with same commission key. Now, total how much amount he paid, sir? 22,000 plus 22,000, 44,000 he paid. And 1118 corresponding name is what, sir? I want to know the name of the customer. From where I can get it? This name I want means I need to go for where, sir? I need to go to the customer table. Let us say customer table, right click, then view data, supplier CP or whatever it is. Then I am selecting here 1118 customer name is what? Here I have the 1018. Then I need to go bottom. Then somewhere we can see the 1118. Here I have the 1118. What is the name of this guy, sir? Mayflower. Okay. Now this Mayflower, if you go and see here, let us say I am going for commission bridge table. Click on view data, supplier CP, select. From whom we taken the services? 111A corresponding to what is the sales representative, sir? LNG. 111 corresponding what is the sales representative name, sir? Andre. Now that means Mayflower taken services from LNG as well as from Andre Taylor. Yes or no, sir? Whatever he is going to pay 44,000, that 44,000 need to divide between whom, sir? Between these two guys only. Yes or no? That is the reason weight factor for this guy 50%, for this guy 50%. 0.50 is available, 0.50 is available here also. You got my point, right? You got my point. Right. Let us say I am trying to close this one. We closed it. Let us move on to the next point. If you go and see the commission table now again, you people understand now. Mayflower customer taken services from what, sir? Andre and LNG. He paid for that one 22,000 plus 22,000, 44,000. The day he paid is what, sir? This was the day he paid it. Yes or no? Right. Now you people understand that one. Now I want to provide here second step that is called as creating the physical joins. Use the bridge table to model many-to-many relationship between the commission fact and sales representatives dimension in the physical layer. So my commission table contains here period key, so I can join with what, sir? Calendar table. Commission table contains customer key, so I can join with customer table. And commission table I can join with bridge table because I have commission key. And bridge table and sales representative table I can join with because I have what, sir? Sales representative column is available. So bridge table is acting as a mediator. Between sales representative table and commission table. Sales representative table to commission table, I have many to many what, sir? I have many to many relationship. To overcome that many to many problem, we are introducing a bridge table. Bridge table contains always many records are available bridge table side. That is the reason we are doing like these joins. Okay, shall we go and do the same job? Right. To do the same job, I am selecting here, let us say commission table, then commission bridge table. I can join with customer table. I can join with sales representative, sales representative table, and I can join with, what is the table, sir? Calendar table. These are the tables what I can join it. Let me go to the physical diagram. Then I want to go for commission table, take here. Then I want to go for calendar table, then customer table, then sales representative table. Between that we have here bridge table. Now I want to go for join condition here. Let us go for new join. Join is, this is fact table, it is dimension table. Always you need to start from where, sir? Fact to dimension. So we are trying to join fact to dimension. Try to drag and drop from fact to dimension. 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 Yeah, that is correct. So the common column is here, YYYYMMDD is equal to, this side we have here period key. That's perfect. Period key. Okay. Similarly, commission table to customer table. Common column is new key is equal to cust key. Okay. Right. Whenever bridge table is available, confusion may be coming. What the confusion is, sir? Whenever bridge table is available, I need to start with the fact table to bridge table or bridge table to fact table. That is a confusion. Whenever dimension table is available, fact table is available, means there is no confusion. Dimension table and fact table means we are starting with the fact table and ending with the dimension table. But bridge table is neither dimension table nor fact table. Bridge table is what, sir? Neither dimension table nor fact table. In that moment, what you are going to do? In that moment, whatever way you do it, that is going to work fine, sir. Whatever you do it, that is going to work fine. That means if you start with the dimension, if you start with the bridge table and end with the other table, or if you start with the other table and end with the in this table also, it is going to work fine. So in my case, I am starting with the fact table and ending with the bridge table. So start with the fact table and end with the bridge table. Common column is here. Commission key is equal to commission key. Okay. Now bridge table to sales representative table. Bridge table to sales representative table. Give it. That way also it is going to work, no problem. But still we are giving bridge table to sales representative table so that all the directions of the giants will be in single way. Now common column is here, sales rep and sales rep. Right. You people understand how to create the joins here. How to create the join. These are the physical joins. Let us move on to the next one, that is called as, in this diagram, bridge table side I have the many, sir. Yes, you can give joins like this also. From here you can start, here you can end, from here you can start, here you can end, no problem. In this way if you do also, we'll get the result is properly. So whenever bridge table is available, from bridge table you can start it or we can end with the bridge table, no problem. Bridge table is bridge table, whatever you want to use it, you can use it, no problem. Now, creating the logical model. Use known technique to build the logical model. Already you have one thing that is called as customer table is already available. And periods table is already available. What is not available, sir? Sales representative table is not available. Commission fact is not available. These are the things what you need to create it. Let us go and try to create it. Before that, I want you to understand one more point. If you go and see your current RPD, supplier sales, customers, sources, your D1 customer table we disabled. When we disabled, sir? In the partitions and fragmentation chapter, we disabled this one. And also I asked you people to enable this one at one point of time, but we didn't do it. If you go and see at the end of the variables, at the end of the, I think, repository variables, at the end of the repository variables, one of the step I asked you people to disable it, right? Okay, see here. Revert the work. Disable what, sir? RRI take cust1 and cust2 LT says Enable what, sir? D1 customer to table. So, but we didn't do it. Why I am doing this is, see here in this step, with what table we created the join, sir? Customer to table. That customer to table you are not using, then what is the use? Yes or no? This customer A to M, customer N to Z, you created only for the purpose of partitions and fragmentation purpose. Now I want to delete, sorry, not delete. I want to disable these two things. I want to enable this one. Try to do that one. Double click on it. Double click on it. There I have the disabled option. Try to remove the checkbox. Remove the checkbox. Click on OK. Now customer A to M disabled. Customer N to Z disabled. Anyhow, we came to this window, so I want you to research on one option. What is the option? This is the option you need to research, sir. What is the option, sir? Priority group option. Priority group option. You need to research on that one. So this research points also I am giving here. Try to do in that way. Do one thing. What you need to do is, this is totally irrelevant to the current chapter. Order AG1 is available. Order AG1 is available at what level, sir? The data is available at what level? Month level. Next what, sir? Product type level. Next what, sir? Sales rep level. This is what is available, right? Same Xerox table create one more thing. Same Xerox table create one more thing. Create a table, select star from these things. And name this as D1 underscore order underscore AG1 underscore Xerox. Configure, how you configure this one is configured. At that moment the Xerox copy, corresponding thing also, what is the level, sir? Month, then this one, yes or no, sir? Now if you take dollars column, will it come from here or will it come from here, sir? For both the things, content logical levels are what, sir? Same. You got my point? Two tables are available. The two tables, columns, everything is same. Why you created like that means don't ask me that question. Okay, I created that one like that I have. Due to some XYZ reason, my data molder is bad guy, so he created that one. Okay, now my question is how I can get the things. But I want D1 order AG1 only means how I can get the things. Always my report should go via D1 order AG1 only, first priority. Then how I can get that one? That one tomorrow you need to research it. Here I have the option. Option is going to use for what, sir? Priority group. Priority group. Priority group 0 to whatever you want to keep here, you can keep here. What is the meaning of here 0? 0 means that is the first priority. Or suppose I given D1 order AGG1, 0 I given. D1 order AGG1 Xerox I given, 1 I given. What is the meaning? First priority will go to the Xerox copy or go to this one. 0 means first priority or 1 means first priority. That also one of the question. You got my point, right? 0 and 1, two things are there, right? 0 is the first priority or 1 is the first priority. That also you need to understand tomorrow. So do this exercise and let me know your comments tomorrow. Am I clear this point? Right. As of now, let me continue with my current things. So we have chance to disable the customer A to M, customer N to Z, and we have chance to enable the D1 customer 2. That is done. Now I want to create here some tables here. One table is called as sales representative table. Second table is called as commission fact table. So drag and drop sales representative table onto the business model. So this was the sales representative table. I am trying to drag and drop onto the business model. I dragged and dropped D1 sales representatives here. And also I am renaming this one for clarity purpose. Let us say sales reps. I given the name as sales reps. And also I want here commission table is available. This was the commission table. This also I am trying to drag and drop onto this one. This one also I am trying to rename this as commission fact. Now I want to create the joins here. Commission fact, sales reps, customers, then period. These are the four things I am taking. Business model diagram, then selected tables and direct joins. Selected tables only, sorry. Selected tables only. Now you can see automatically we got the join between commission fact table. We have here customers table, commission fact table, and periods table. These all things are available here. And here sales reps is available. Now I want to create the join between these two things. Let us go and try to create the join. So click on OK. Now I am able to create the join or not, sir? Yes. So this was the logical diagram what we created. Automatically I got the join between periods and customers. Then we created manually joins between these two things we created. This is done. This is what our third point what we did creating the logical model. What about the bridge table? What about the bridge table? That's what we are going to configure here. So map the fact logical table source to the bridge table. Whatever commission fact table is available, inside the commission fact table, we are going to add what's a bridge table we are adding. How to add like this? Let us go and try to add that one very simply. Double click on this commission table, whatever available. This is what the commission table is available. Here I have the commission bridge is available. Whatever weight factor column is available, I am trying to drag and drop simply onto the commission. Whenever I drag and drop this one, you can observe here weight factor column is came, and also internally you can observe what is came, sir. Commission bridge also it is came. Now you people are aware of it. Here I have the commission amount. This is nothing but customer paid commission amount. And I have here weight factor. This is nothing but how much amount we need to take it. These two things if I multiply, then whatever we are going to get the result, the result is what, sir? Sales representative's commission, sales rep's commission. Let us go and try to do that one. Okay, try to create one column, right click on the commission fact. Then new object, then go for logical column as sales rep commission. Sales rep commission. Now, if you see here, if people are everyone aware of it, commission amount is a measure column or not, sir? Measure column. That is the reason I want to make that as a measure. For that, double click on that commission amount and select by default aggregation rule as, go to the aggregation tab, then select aggregation rule as sum. Then OK. Okay, that is done. Now you people understand now, but this is not converted into measure. Why? Should be given formula not given, madam. What is this? We need to create the formula also right here. Formula is what, sir? Formula is whatever commission amount is available, that commission amount into what, sir? Into the weight factor. Okay, this is what we are saying as sales representative's commission. Now automatically what we got here, this also converted into the measure column. Okay, now you people understand that point also. So you people have here fourth, map the bridge table. Then fifth is what, sir? Multiplying the commission amount and weight factor. Use physical columns to create measure that calculates commission amount and weight factor. We did that one. Next one is map objects to the presentation layer. We are trying to drag and drop these all things. Suppose I want here in the supplier sales facts, I have here commission column is available. Only this commission column I want, sales rep commission column. I am trying to drag and drop this one. Then I want here sales rep I want, let us say sales reps also I am trying to drag and drop as a one more table here. I drag and drop. Now try to click on check in changes, click on S. So only one measure column I taken into the fact table. Then I dragged and dropped the dimension table. Now we need to test it. Okay, for the testing purpose, I am going to the front end. Then I am developing one report. Let us go to the new analysis, supplier sales. Then I am selecting here one column. That column is called as customer column. Filter also I am putting on this one. Filter is What is the record we are observing, sir? Mayflower, we are observing the record, right? The same record I am taking here. Click on OK. Click on results. Tell me this customer taken services from what? Who are the sales representatives, sir? One guy is called as Alan Jiff. Second guy is called as Andre. So if you go and take here sales representatives column, we should get those two names only here. We got the same two names or not? Right. And what is the commission amount, sir? What is the amount he paid, sir? 44,000 he paid. So if calculation is correct, then we should get here 22,000 should be taken to Alan Jiff pocket and 22,000 taken to Andre pocket. Like that, if you want means, let us go for the facts, sales facts, then sales representatives commission. I am trying to drag and drop. Now what is the amount we got, sir? 22,000 we got. That means our calculation, whatever we did, that is perfectly happened. So because of the bridge table only, we are able to split these records beautifully. If the bridge table is not available, then what is the problem we are going to face? For LNG, we will get the 44,000. For Andre Taylor's, we will get what, sir? 44,000. Because of the many-to-many, all possibility of the data it is going to take it. All possibility of the data means what, sir? Both the places will get 44,000, 44,000, which is a wrong calculation. Okay? Right. Can we add total commission as well? Total commission. Total commission means? You mean to say this one? Yes, okay. Check in changes, click on S. This commission amount, if you take it, then how the query will be looks like, that's what is question. Let us go for the reload server metadata. Before adding that to the report, I want to observe the SQL query, then I will go for the adding. Now I am going for the administration here. Let us go for the leave page, manage sessions, then go bottom of this one, click on view log. Now observe here, even though bridge table is not appearing in the scenario, what happening, sir? In the bracket, bridge table is came. Why? Because commission amount whatever available here, the commission amount whatever available here and weight factor is available here. These two things are multiplying. These two things are multiplying. Commission amount and weight factor. Am I clear? Bridge table is appearing, and because of this bridge table only we are able to roll up the things. Because of the bridge table only we are able to roll up the things. Now let us go back here. Now he is asking to add here commission amount. Let us go and try to take that one. Commission amount. It's not came. Oh, sorry, I added in wrong place. I added in wrong place. Like this is going to come into the picture. So 44,000 is paid by Mayflower. That's how it is coming. But commission amount should not take directly. Whenever I have the sales representative column is available, should not take this one. That much of clarity you should have as on the data. Okay, 44,000 you take it is meaningless. Okay, 44,000 you want to take means you should remove the sales representative column. Am I clear? Right. So if people understand what is happening here. What do you understand from overall this one, sir? I understand only these are the points. Number one, what is bridge table? Bridge table is useful to resolve what, sir? Many-to-many relationship between dimension table and fact table. That is one question answer. What is bridge table means what, sir? Bridge table is useful to resolve many-to-many relationship between dimension table and fact table. That is the first question. Second question. What are the attributes in the bridge table? The attributes are three attributes only available in the bridge table. One is what, sir? Dimension table corresponding key column, fact table corresponding key column. Then third one is what, sir? And weight factor is available. Weight factor is available. This is the third one. And what you mean by weight factor? Weight factor is going to give the how much market share. how much value we need to take by each representative. The given commission of the customer, how we need to split among sales representatives, that details is given by weight factor. That details is given by weight factor. Am I clear? Right. Right. You people understand this much very clearly. Right? Let us move on to the next one, that is called as helper table. Okay. Helper table, if you started also, I cannot complete now. What I will do is, I will go for some of the interview questions. Another 15 minutes. Anyhow, we have a lot of time is available, sir. Don't worry. Okay. Right. Why? Because this Ugadi festival is coming. I am not going to start one new batch in your slot. After the festival only, I am going to start the new batch. So in these days, we'll go with the slowly and try to. Only one chapter is left out, right? Helper table, if I complete, that's it. Your batch is about to complete, right? But I'm not going to leave it. I'm going to discuss these all interview questions. Okay. Right. One of the interview questions I am giving here. Saturday we have the class, sir. Sunday we are thinking about it. We'll let you know shortly. Right. Let us go for one of the interview question. The question is like this, sir. I have one user. Okay. This user name is, let us say, Mark. This user name is what, sir? Mark. Let me write in the MS Excel. I have one user. This user name is what, sir? Mark. And corresponding to this user, I have one schema. Database schema it is. Let us assume like this is Scott. Okay. And I have one database. This corresponding is I have, let us say, ORCL. Okay. And I have next one more user is available, John. And this corresponding schema is not the Scott, it is a Scott 1. Maybe database is same I am taking here. In some cases it may be different also. ORCL. I am taking one more user also. That user is called as, let us say, I have one more user. That user is called as, I am taking here Nancy. Now this is, let us say, Scott 2. And this is, let us say, ORCL 1. Something like this. I want to get the results. Whenever Mark is logged into the application, and is running one report, the report should execute from using what, sir? Using Scott schema, using ORCL database, it has to execute. Same report is running by other user called as what, sir? Jen. Then it should execute using what, sir? Scott 1 and ORCL. Then other user, but same report is running, then it should execute from where, sir? Scott 2 and ORCL 1 it should execute. That is what my requirement. Please let me know your approach. I am not expecting 100% accurate answer here. Okay, just approach, tell me steps wise. What are the things you need to make sure to do this one? Tell me, what are the steps you need to do it? Step 1, tell me, sir. What is your overall idea? You understand requirement first of all, right? 3 separate connection pools. 3 separate connection pools means you mean to say how based on the user you are going to select the connection pool. That is one more point. Based on the user, we are going for different connection pools we created, let us say. How we are going to make the system to understand whenever this user Mark is logged in, use this connection pool. Whenever the John is logged in, use this connection pool. How we are going to make the system to understand that point? You understand, right? Yes or no? Right. Now tell me how we can achieve it. That option, whatever you said, 3 connection pools, ruled out. That's not going to work out here. Then second, any other options?
something is correct. Session variables. Okay, now tell me, yeah, we got the clue point here. Based on the session variable, user we will change schema. That is correct, Rohit. This is what the one clue point. With this we can do it. Now what I ask you people is, go to the lab, take EMP table, DEP table, only these two tables. EMP table, DEP table already available in the SCART schema. Yes or no, sir? Already available in the SCART schema. Create one more user with the name of SCART1. Go with the 2 records only, not required 3 records also. Not required, 3 records are not required, just go with the 2 records. That is enough. Go with the 2 records. Create one more user with the name of our SCART1. Whatever EMP table is available, DEP table is available in the SCART schema, replicate here. That means my SCART and SCART1 both contains what's now? Same tables it contains. Create one user, Mark user, John user in the console, and maintain one table also in the database level. These 2 records table we maintain it, and create against to this one session initialization block. You create it. In that session initialization block, passwords are the user you pass it. Based on the user, calculate what's are schema name and database name. You calculate it. The schema name and database name pass here using the syntax whatever you know it. Value of NQ underscore session dot what's are the variable name. I hope I am clear with the solution high level blueprint, right? So the blueprint is what, sir? Number 1, step 1 is you need to maintain somewhere one table. The table should talk about the what is the user, what is the schema, what is the database. The table you need to maintain. That is step 1. Step 2, create one initialization block. In that initialization block, input we are going to pass whoever is logging in, and output we are going to take what, sir? The schema name and database name we are going to take as output. That variables are going to call in the connection pool. That's what we need to do it. And confirm this one really it is executed like that or not by seeing the SQL query. You got my point? Yes? Right. Okay, that is what the one question. Tomorrow I am expecting 100% answers for this one. Okay, second question. This is question number 1. This is question number 2. This is question number 2. What is question number 2 is, let us say I have here home page is available here. Yes or no, sir? This is what the home page is available. In this home page here I want to access here this area. Whatever area I am showing here, this area. In this area, I want Facebook. Facebook is available, right? Facebook link I want over there. What I want, sir? Facebook link I want over there. Okay, how to get that Facebook link? Anyone have chance to see my yesterday I given one kind of blog I given, sir? Did you have chance to get the mails? Yesterday only I posted one thing. Did you have chance to see your Facebook's or Google Plus? Nothing, you got it? No one. That means no one registered. Good job. You are ignoring me. You have to register, sir. Okay. So yesterday only I posted here OBA 11.1.1.7.1 sample application something I posted. This is done by Oracle guy. Oracle came one step forward and gave web analytics application live. If you want to explore new features, then you can do ASAP. That means as soon as possible, without installing any OBAW software, directly you can access it and you can do it. Now ASAP means as soon as possible. Go to the URL. This was the URL I asked you to go to. Then once you go to here, we have the OBA 11.1.1.7.1. There I can see here, try it what, sir? Live we are saying. In above screen, click on what, sir? Try it live. If you click on the try it live, directly you are going to get Oracle web application you are getting, analytics application. We need to use here username as this guy and password as this guy. We need to use it. Once you use it, enjoy all work of great Oracle people. This is what the Oracle people that given. Suppose you want to understand the futures. If you click on this one, you can do that one. If you observe here, they also implemented here one thing, that is what, sir? They given here custom link. They given here what, sir? Custom link they given. How they given this custom link? That we need to explore today and we need to come up with tomorrow answer. You got my point, right? So what all you need to do is, let us say I am going to the, just please try to add here, sir, so that you get the updates here. Join this site, one option is available here. Go to this one, join this site. Your mail IDs, your Gmail IDs or whatever mail IDs are available, join this site so that you get all updates. Even I shared yesterday to all the Facebooks and Google Plus accounts, I shared using these buttons. But as of now, even I didn't get any comment also. Yesterday I posted, no one given here good job like that. No one is appreciating. That means you are demotivating. Don't do the work. Okay, appreciate something, sir. Okay, so that we can do the work. Okay, one more point. Developer will be happy when, sir. Yes, that's what. As a manager, if I am not calling daily, if I am not giving promotionals, that is okay. Daily I am sending on appreciation mail, that guy will be very happy. Yes or no? Right. Okay, I am a developer now. Let us go for next. What I want to tell is, if you go to this link, click on this link. So this was the link directly I went. OBA samples we are getting. In this OBA samples, we have one option. What's that? Try it live. Click on this try it live. Then we got here bottom, username is, this is the username. This is also one of the feature. If you don't have your own laptop, the softwares are not installed. Even though the softwares are not installed also, we can go and we can explore the things. And whatever you are learning here, that is more than that, they given here as a free built report, sir. Some people used to ask one question, sir, I want to do one live project. Live project is nothing, sir. This is what the live project I can say. Yes or no? They did a lot of work, you did it. You try to replicate this work. I want to create this one, how to create it, how they did it. Okay, suppose they create a custom link they created. I am trying to click on this custom link. Now, he is explaining here that kind of help document is available here, how we created. Even if you go and see here in the bottom, one more screen is available. What he configured, sir? Gmail, Google search, how to configure it. How to configure that one, the code also is given here. If you go and see, this was the code, sample file and output. Here implementing what, sir? Google search. What file you need to modify, how to modify that one, everything is given. Yahoo, Gmail, everything is given. Just walk through it, matter of investing some time. Now you know basic understanding, how to open the applications, where to go, these all things. Yes or no, sir? Now if you follow one document, you will be in a position to do that one. Yes or no? Right, if you see here, some corner, one more thing also given, that is called as OTN, Oracle Technology Network, right? Okay, if you click on this one, it will go to the OTN. This also called as what, sir? Some custom link, how to provide these custom links. Try to explore and give me the answer tomorrow. This is also one of the important interview question. They will ask you, did you have any chance to work with the custom links? Answer is what, sir? If you need to say yes, then immediately there will one more question will be coming. What is the question is, what are the files you need to modify as part of that one? As part of that one, what are the files you need to modify if you want to do the custom link? What are the files you need to modify is here. I think we came to some other page. Custom link. Okay, these are the three files. These are the three files we need to modify. These are the three files we need to modify. Custom links.xml file. Okay, and adding the custom link elements, setting the custom links privileges. So these are the three activities what we need to do it. How to do the activities, those three things clearly given here, you can understand it. Yeah, I already said that one, that is okay, but still I am showing that one, how the look and feel will be available live. Next, one more question. This is the second question what you want. So how to add what, sir? How to add custom links. How to add custom links. Sorry? Yes, that is correct. Question number three. This is also one of the new feature actually. That is the reason this question is coming nowadays. So many people are asking in the interviews, what is the new feature is? Suppose you are doing one pivot table you are doing, sir. See this report. See this report. Here I have that report already inbuilt. This is 7.1 new feature. It is a 7.1 new feature. Here I have one thing that is called as null non-suppress is available. What is the meaning of this null non-suppress? If you go and see the null non-suppress, observe this pivot table here. What is happening, sir? This entire record is null only. Yes or no? Even though it is null, it is coming as what, sir? One record. It is a disturbance for us or not, sir? A record is not available. Everything is null is available. Why you need to maintain that one? It is a disturbance for us. Okay, that is the reason we have here. See here, this is what, sir? Without null non-suppress. Now this report is looking beautiful or this report is looking beautiful, sir? Tell me, this report is not looking beautiful, yes or no? This report is looking beautiful. Now today you need to research on that one where you need to enable this null non-suppress option. For that what you need to do, sir? First edit this one. Edit this one and observe the properties. Somewhere we have the null non-suppress. Okay, next, that is what the third question. Third question. How to suppress null values records. Null values records. That is the question number 3. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. I want to freeze the size of the report. I mean to say, see this example. See this example. Even though I have here data, even though I have here lot of data is available, it is not expanding my layout, sir. My layout is what, sir? In the bottom, Internet Explorer bottom, do you have the scroll left, scroll down option? Report level only what you got, sir? Scroll right and scroll left option we got. How to keep this kind of thing? Already we did it. When we are doing a table, I explained this one. If you go and see the table, I explained this one, but still try to do it once again. Do the research how to do this kind of thing. This is called as table with what, sir? Fixed headers scrolling content. Fixed headers scrolling content. So how to do this fixed headers and scrolling content? Fixed headers and scrolling contents. Fixed headers and scrolling contents. Similarly, if time permits for you, you think like, okay, I have time and I want to learn a lot of things, I want to learn it. Then best way of learning is what, sir? Best way of learning is go to this one, what they are trying to do here. Explore these options. You got my point, right? Okay, this is created with the version of 7.1 version. That is reason all the most of the things are available here. 11.1.1.7.1 version. Whatever here really we are using is 7.0. It is what, sir? In our application. If you go for our application, this is our application. Our application, what is the installations are here? 7.0 we are using it. This is just and one more point is 7.1 is not available as a software, sir. On top of 7.0 we need to provide patch updates. Then we will get the 7.1. They applied the patch updates here. So I request you people, please go to this one and try to explore it. Am I clear? How to go to this one? I given in the blog. Go to our rratech.blogspot.in. Okay, there we have some steps are available. Even I am going to keep some more things I will be adding whenever I feel I have the time. Please join to that site. Am I clear? Right. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll discuss remaining things, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. And today we have the 4 questions I given, right? Like this daily I will give the 4 questions. Another a week. So you need to do hard work on that one. The 4 questions corresponding answers you need to come up with. Yes or no? Right. Thank you.